Hello, people. I am Pratham Bang, and I welcome you all again to yet another episode of Design Dialogues by Yogesh Market. With us today, we have an architect designer who has been into this field since 2009, and it's been 13 years since she has her own practice. She has practiced in both commercial and residential projects. We have with us today architect Ketki Sahasrabudhe. Hi Ketki ma'am, welcome to the episode.
Hi, and thank you for having me here.
Our pleasure ma'am, most probably. How are you doing?
I'm good. And really excited to be here because this is my first podcast. So I'm looking forward to it.
Even we are, and we are glad that we are hosting you for your first podcast. To start with, Ketki ma'am, in these 13 years which you spent in this industry, how would you want to define it in just some words as an experience?
See, sometimes it has been very fulfilling because as it is interior designing or any designing field, you have to be creative. You
Very
have
true.
to be involved in it completely. So sometimes that experience is completely satisfying and fulfilling, and sometimes it can just go haywire.
Very true. Very true.
So and I think that is how my experience in the field has been.
So for example, you're dealing with multiple people here, or different backgrounds, of different knowledge spaces.
Yes.
For example, on one hand, you would have a client who is a professional, maybe. On the other hand, you might have contractors who have technical knowledge, but not, verbal or, textbook knowledge. So, how do you actually communicate this between these two aspects?
In my experience, sometimes you learn more from the people who are working on the site. You might be knowing the technical terms about certain things, but you get to learn about them on the site. So you can't say that you have to convey certain things to them. All you have to convey to them is the drawings. They are design and that drawings. That like we have very technical drawings. Sometimes you just have to convey the technical drawings or the technicalities in the drawing.
Understood.
But sometimes you get to learn more from them about the site and the details that are happening in the site. So I would say sometimes I've learned more from them than to
You
teach
telling.
them or
Wow.
like to show them how it is done. All you need to do is explain the drawings to them,
Very true.
and you get to learn more from them.
It most definitely shows how modest you are when it comes to people. But very true, ma'am. These people are on ground.
Yeah.
These people are actually executing the idea.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
they have a very precise knowledge of everything.
And what we know when we start get into the practice for the first time is what all you have learned from the books. So the book knowledge and the
On-ground practical
on-site knowledge is very different.
But on this note, Kethi ma'am, is the academics which is involved in architecture and or designing right now, is it fulfilling a student? Is it making the student well equipped, or it is still on a track wherein उनको यहाँ पे आके ही समझना पड़ेगा, शायद क्लासरूम में वो चीज ना समझ पाए?
See, there are two ways to look at it from my point of view. One is some things you get to learn on the site itself.
Okay.
But if you'll keep everything practicality oriented, then you might also lose the
theoretical touch.
theoretical touch,
Absolutely.
the imagination that you want to, you would love to be in that imaginative world where you can design whatever you want without the practicality.
True.
So I think, certain practicality aspects need to be involved in the designing process. But when you are a student and learning, the possibilities should be, like endless.
Endless.
So,
Very
and
true.
for the possibilities to be endless, you can't restrict them with the, too much
Much of a classroom knowledge.
technicalities around it. Because, it keeps on evolving
Evolving with
right?
time.
जैसे बहुत बड़े कैंटिलीवर्स वर नॉट पॉसिबल
Very true.
तो अगर पहले से ही इतनी इसकी लेंथ रहती है, इतना इसका डायमेंशन रहता है, बता के रखते तो शायद वो
ये evolve नहीं हो पाता.
So there are both ways to look at it.
Very true.
Yeah.
If you were to be, ma'am, a professor maybe, or an educator for a fact, how would you design a curriculum when it comes to what percentage of what would you want? Because you've been in this field for a long time, you've seen students coming in, interns working with you,
Yes.
जो शायद आज के नॉलेज से आ रहे हैं, आप 2009 में ग्रेजुएट हुए थे. What has changed in academics?
See, I think students wise, I think when it comes to imagination, I think it doesn't evolve.
Very
You know,
true.
it is to an individual, and
Very
it is
true.
going to be there forever.
100%. 100%.
So the means of execution had changed. Like we were students, so we were told third year that you have to do the hand drafting and everything. Then
Exactly.
only you can move to the computers.
Mm-hmm.
अभी पहले से people right from the first year they are into 3D modeling everything.
Exactly.
So शायद उनका perspective is very is
Different.
very different in how to design it.
Very true.
Because when we were designing, it was more into the paperwork and then
The
going
computer.
towards.
No, but do you
But
think this was better? Do you think this evolution
uh,
of being on paper and then on digital
see, I
platforms?
personally prefer paper more.
Mhm.
I like to have my scheme design on the paper 1st and then move to the computer.
Computers.
Because that is how we have
Learned the whole setup.
learned to design.
Mhm.
So I think that is going to evolve and we should be okay with that.
Acha, so it is not necessary that you start with paper only.
No. It's
Perfect.
not. It is up to an individual. I've seen my friends also from the designing school
Mhm.
जिनको कभी कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी पेपर करने की
Oh.
और कोई कोई थे कि जब पूरा डिटेल होने के बाद में दे यूज टू लैंड ऑन
Pen and paper.
सो वो बहुत इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल रहता है आई थिंक एंड यू स्टिल हैव
But ये किसी को मतलब पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं है किसी को जांचने का.
नहीं
How good they are.
yes exactly
Perfect.
that those are all just the means of
To
communicating
achieve
your
the
designs.
end. Very good.
You're communicating your designs. It could be through 2Ds sketches, 3Ds or 3D modeling, whatever suits you.
Whatever suits the person. Absolutely. Then when you were graduating then, what were the market conditions? And in what respect, in respect to the profession of an architect and designer?
See, I think when you get into the profession, you are into this very rosy world. Like I'll be a designer, I'll be designing.
Kind of glamouration.
Like very glamour oriented world is what you feel. But in the end, when you are into the field and actually working, so you get to know the other aspects of it, like handling the studio, then how
Very
the
true.
studio works need to be done.
Client talks
It's not only about designing; you need to be jack of all.
Wow.
So, like, little bit of business.
But is this being taught again in a
No, not.
So the commercial angle or the
You
managerial angle.
Most of the time, you have to have
Like
your
on the
own
job
curve
training.
of learning.
Very true. So all of this is on the job. You cannot really,
No. And I think everyone have their own journey to, reach to a
Understand
point
this.
or to understand how things are going. I might have a different perspective of how things should go forward, and my experiences are also very
Very
different.
different.
And other might have the very different
Very
experience
different,
and a very different path to be where he or
Where
she
the
is.
scaling
Yeah,
and everything.
the scaling goes. For example, I did not come from a design background. I did not have anyone.
So you're a first impression architect.
Yeah, first generation architect. So I had my own path or my
Your challenges, your
Yes.
achievements.
So sometimes I used to feel कि अरे जिनको guidance मिला होगा
वो कितना better
उनका
करते हैं.
कितना better होगा. But I think वो उनको पता था कि they were probably like कि इसी direction में जाना है. But you never know if that is the right direction or
Very
not.
true. So how do we define right?
Yeah,
No one
exactly.
can define
So
right.
everyone is different and everyone's path is different. Everyone's design process is different. Everyone's execution process is different. I think you need to appreciate that.
Oh.
You
So
can't define it.
it should be more
Yeah.
inclusive is what you are saying.
Yeah.
Do not isolate people
Yeah.
on the basis of their, the way in which they've been taught or their designs or their
Yes.
execution.
And जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना कि design is never right or wrong. For you, something might be wonderful. For me, something might be very good.
Very true.
So
It is
you can't.
subjective.
It is very
And it
subjective.
should be subjective.
It should be. That is what design is, right? Something might be, I might find it very beautiful and you might find it extremely ugly.
Very true, very true. So again, depends on the perception of the person who's making that.
Yes. Functionality, when it comes to functionality, I think that is where, again, it depends on the person using the space, but functionality is something that should not be compromised.
Because
The rest of the things you can play with.
very true. This is a very necessary bifurcation which you've given here. That functionality, people, is a very different aspect of designing and how the design looks in terms of its fascia is very different.
Yes.
This can change.
This can be.
This should be essential.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow, so beautiful. We should be educated also.
I'm good in what I'm doing right now.
You're good in what you're doing. Well, when we talk about designing spaces, you know, for the very basic of it, there are two spaces. One can be residential and one can be commercial.
Yeah.
Now, how do you look at both of these, you know, spaces from different perspectives? If we were to, you know, educate the layman out there who is watching this video.
See, I think when it comes to client, the client needs to first come forward with a certain idea of what he wants or doesn't want. But when you look at it from a designer's point of view, I think because when you're dealing with the residential spaces, you're not only dealing with one person, you're dealing with the family, who's going to live in that space. So then you have to take into consideration opinions ideologies of that 4 or 5 people who live in that house. When it comes to a commercial space, it is basically that idea, and as a client, you are dealing with one person.
An individual idea, you are a collectivistic idea.
Yeah, as a client, you are dealing with one person.
Oh.
So, like, if it's your office, it is going to be majorly your decision into what is going to
be there
or not. When you are designing the house, it can't be your decision. You have to take into consideration your wife, your kids, your parents.
Very true.
So, I can't design that space only for you. I have to design it for the family.
So true.
So that process is very different, and I think designing in any sense, when I'm designing for someone, it needs to be a partnership. It needs to be a partnership between me and the client.
So true.
And also the executors.
Very true. 100%.
So it needs to be a partnership. So I think over the years, I've started focusing on the clients more than what the project is. If I don't like the clients, I've started saying no.
I understand.
Because you are going to be in so close contact with them for minimum 6 months.
Absolutely.
You are going to be hanging out with them, you are going to go shopping with them, you are going to share ideas with each other.
Brainstorm.
Yeah. So, see, I need to take into consideration you because I'm designing for you.
100%.
And I also need to make sure that, whatever you are expecting, I'm pushing those boundaries a little bit.
So that's something new sets in.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So it's a partnership. So I think I've started focusing on the clients more than the project.
Well, this is really, this is very impactful also.
Yes.
In the longer run, even if you take a good project, but 2 months down the line, things are breaking down. How would you actually execute it?
You can't leave your project because for me, whenever I take a project, it becomes your baby.
Right? It has to be.
So after 2 months, I can't say like, "Arey, apna nahi jam raha hai." Maybe it is not me. You can do that. Okay. And that is also okay.
100%.
I'm not saying you should not do that.
100%.
But that is not me. So I've learned over the time that if I want to spend 6-8 months with some people, they need to be good people.
And this is a very natural observation.
Yes.
So often we, while any site is being executed, any design is being made, तो आपके सामने तो एक बहुत रैंडम कैनवस दे दिया जाता है, एक सपना आपके हाथ में दे दिया, और सपना सब ताजमहल का देखते हैं. No one wants a Qutub Minar. Everyone wants a Taj Mahal. इतना बड़ा ये वो. But again, the economic background again is something is very important. That can we afford a Taj Mahal?
Yes.
And to convince them for materials, to convince them for ideas. कुछ चीजें जैसे आपने शुरुआत में कहा फंक्शनल नहीं होगी, पर उनके आइडिया को उनको बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. तो how do you actually mold this? I believe client counseling is a very major chunk of designing. Very major chunk of how do you talk to them, how do you understand them, how do you convince them.
Yes.
How do you do it?
See, basically, like I said, it is a collaborative
Very true.
process.
Very
So
true.
first I need to understand you to, what actually you want. Sometimes, you're showing me certain things. Firstly, we need to obviously budget पे लोग क्या करते हैं कि बाद में बात करते हैं,
Very true.
जबकि बजट पे पहले बात करनी चाहिए. एंड बजट पे एक बार आपकी बात हो रही है तो जो लोगों का एक मानना है like for certain things you need certain budget, which is true for you to achieve
practically.
but it's not like aesthetic spaces can't be designed in a
In a budgeted manner. Wow.
So it's all, how you look,
Approach the
approach the project, or how you are looking into that project. So obviously you have to work around, and you also have to make sure that you're not showing them a very rosy picture.
Again, very true. Just
You
to
need
get the
show them,
project.
just you need to show them the reality. See, if this is your budget, we can make it beautiful, but not what you're showing.
Very true.
So, and again, like we said, that this is what you're seeing is not the only beauty that you see. So you can always change that.
Very true, very true. And I believe this is a very optimistic approach to make it clear from the word go.
And I think that this also I've learned over time.
Very true. This is again something which talks about how ethical one is in their approach.
Yes.
Just to take
and like that, you reduce on the complications that happen during the project, because if you give the clarity of the budget first, then you can be sure.
Relatively smooth sailing.
Yes.
Wow. Ma'am, so when designing sets in, you are working on a project maybe. So what are those themes or ideas which are a template for you, which you think are your signatures for every set? कि यहाँ पे खेत की सहस्त्रबुद्धि ने काम किया. For example, it might be light, or it might be some colors, or an arc or something. What is that something which is?
See, I think recently I've started playing with colors a little bit, and again, like I said, my sites have been most of the time focused more towards the client than towards my site. So you will see in my designs that all the projects look very different.
Wow.
So you can't.
This is again a commonality. Them being different is again a commonality.
Yes. So they're very different in a way. But I think recently I started, pushing my clients towards playing with the colors a little more, and not, go forward with or just a flash of colors. Not that, but in the layers.
Very true.
Like add accent. Start with a accent wall. Start with a layering the colors.
Very true.
So I think that
is something which is something which is coming up in your drawing.
Yes. Or maybe I can see that
in every one of the projects. So beautiful. Ma'am, generally, so there's this. So every every setup has this character which is playing a negative role. Here it might be Pinterest.
Yes.
Pinterest is a thing which has flooded the market like anything.
Yes.
A picture from New Zealand comes up on someone's desk in Nagpur. And then idhar bana do. Not knowing if the material is there, not knowing if the space would appreciate and everything. तो ये जो ट्रेंड्स आते हैं खेती में, जैसे लूवर्स फॉर अ फैक्ट, या फिर जो डेकोरेटिव्स का ट्रेंड आए हैं, ये किस तरीके से अफेक्ट करते हैं किसी भी साइट को और ड्राइंग को और क्लाइंट के पर्सपेक्टिव को?
See, talking about the Pinterest, जैसे आपने बोला, sometimes it is a villain.
Very true.
Sometimes it can also be a hero. Like clients don't know what they want.
Very true.
So they'll be talking about minimalism, not knowing what it is.
100%.
Or boho style.
Neoclassical.
So they'll be talking about the styles, but with the Pinterest, they can actually see what that style looks like.
100%. So they get an idea of what this.
One thing is where clients are coming up with a picture and saying, "I want exactly this." There it is a villain. But when you are trying to, I can convey you my ideas, because that is part of my.
Very true.
But it might not be possible for you. So for you, it is a medium.
Very true.
So it also depends on how the client is using it.
100%.
So from that perspective, it can be a villain or a
hero, either way.
So,
and when we talk about trends, ma'am, so there is one thing which is something being a very evergreen setup, longevity into it, sustainable. एक ऐसी चीज जो टाइम और अगेन चली जाएगी, पीक आया चले गया, पीक आया चले गया, इसका मिश्रण डिजाइन कैसे हो सकता है?
See, sometimes even designers go with the flow. Because if I am looking at a new material, I would want to use it.
Absolutely.
But at the same time, 1,000 other people are looking at the same material. So how do I know if those people are using it or not?
Very true.
So sometimes the 1,000 drawings are coming out of that same material. So it is all about first first user advantage.
First user advantage, 100%.
So if I'm using it first,
Uh,
then I'm setting the trend.
very true.
If I'm going with the flow, then it becomes
You're not the first user then.
then it becomes like ये तो बहुत देखा हुआ है, ये तो हर जगह दिख रहा है. But अगर I'm the first one to put it, then it's a trend setter.
Very true.
So अगर मैं 100वें नंबर पे हूँ तो
then
then
you're following
बोर
that
हो
trend.
जाता
So
है.
true.
और अपने यहाँ particularly in Nagpur, I think people go behind one thing.
हाँ.
जैसे you must have seen जब डोमिनोज खुला था नागपुर में,
Crazy, crazy.
कि like
सदर.
लोग मतलब लोग ऐसे जा रहे उसके पीछे,
Very
like and even with Starbucks or
Even
whatever.
with KFC for a fact,
Yeah.
they had a queue until the signal.
तो everyone is going behind one thing.
Very true.
हाँ. और फिर suddenly everyone is like ये तो बोर हो गया.
Very true. So similar is in design is what you are saying.
Sometimes it happens कि हमने इनके यहाँ देखा है, इनके यहाँ देखा है. तो कुछ लोग ऐसे रहते हैं जो बोलते हैं हमने इनके यहाँ देखा है, हमको लगाना है, और कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि हमने इनके यहाँ देखा है तो we don't want.
But what is your taste in this, if I may ask?
I would not want to do the
Similar
same,
thing.
yeah. कि जो देखा हुआ है वही करेंगे
So what is
अलग
the
नहीं
point
लगेगा.
of it?
थोड़ा सा तो कुछ उसमें you need to have your own.
Own uniqueness. Now help us walk through your entire setup, in which you might be attending a client first, making a 3D or a drawing, then on-site execution, and then eventually the handover is done. How is Studio 22 doing it in its entirety?
See, we first like I said, it's good to have like your first good
Like a
interaction
casual
with
conversation.
a client. First, when the client approaches you,
Mhm.
they come up with the idea of इतना square feet का काम है, and they don't want to talk about budget like I said, because उनको ऐसा लगता है कि जो डिजाइनर्स है वो क्लाइंट के ऊपर से बजट के ऊपर से आपको
Judge
जज
कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हैं.
हैं. So like if I come up with a 25 lakh budget, they might not be interested in
Very
doing
true.
it. And if I come up with if I already tell them my budget is 80 lakhs, they would already push me towards 80 lakhs, जबकि वही काम मेरा शायद 50 में हो
50
सकता
हो
है.
सकता है.
So this mindset is
perceptions
there.
hold करते हैं. हाँ.
So दोनों perceptions है वहाँ पे. But like I said, जैसे पहले I don't discuss एकदम first meeting में budget. I try to understand what they want.
The idea.
हाँ, कि क्या expected है. But while going towards the second step, we need to bring in budget somewhere.
Very true.
कि like
It is जैसे आप शुरुआत में कह रहे थे.
an estimate. It can't be an accurate
Exactly,
budget. कि
very
what
true.
you want and how the space is. Probably need something between this and this.
Very true. A rough idea.
Or this rough idea. So if they go forward with that and are okay with whatever estimate we are giving to them, then we move forward to the design process of it. Like first, like I said, the functional planning happens first.
So that is your base.
Yeah.
Functionality of
Functionality
any
comes-
project
yeah,
is
yeah.
your base.
So functionality is the planning that you do 1st.
Mhm.
Then you move to the aesthetic aspect of it.
Very true.
Because in architecture particularly, functionality and that art
Has to coincide.
It happens together.
Mm.
But when you move to the interior spaces, sometimes see this is the box I have.
Very true.
So that box I can't play with. I can't play with the windows. I can't play with
Exactly.
the
They would be
3D
there.
form of it.
Mm.
So first the functionality needs to be
in
set
place.
Once that is in place, then you play with the aesthetics or the furniture or what else is needed for that place to look good.
Beautification. Yeah.
So that comes later. So we first finalize the functionality, like if we are designing office, the spaces are sorted.
Very true.
जो आपकी requirement wise spaces थी,
Mhm.
those are in place. Now moving to the aesthetic part of it.
Mhm.
Then after that is done, now started insisting all my clients to finalize the drawings first.
Okay.
Because यहाँ पे हर बंदा बड़े भाई में रहता है कि चालू कर दो ना, चालू कर दो, आप सिविल तो चालू कर दो, ये तो चालू कर दो. And I've done that. I'm not denying.
हाँ, so
I've done
you learn
that.
from experience.
हाँ, so I've done that. Now I started insisting on कि पहले आप drawings final करो. आपकी ड्राइंग्स फाइनल हो रही है, आपका सिलेक्शन ओके हो रहा है, तो आपका बजट नहीं लगेगा. क्योंकि आपका सिलेक्शन हो चुका है, आपकी ड्राइंग्स हो चुकी है. सो यू कैन गेट ऑलमोस्ट एक्यूरेट बजट फ्रॉम ऑल द वेंडर्स. तो यू हैव
एक array of things.
तो आपका ये पूरा इन प्लेस रहता है. तो आपका बाद में बजट भी नहीं हिल रहा है and when all the drawings are ready, all the agencies can work on it together.
Mm-hmm.
So the execution
tandem.
also becomes, a
Uniform.
little easier.
Mhm.
So after that, we, after finalizing the drawing, we move into the execution part.
Well, so from an education perspective, how important it is to finalize a drawing first. So for example, of what I have experienced or I've learned in this very short span of time is, every industry, every agency, focuses on drawing a lot. Drawing here is the sanctum sanctorum, like the preamble of the
Yeah,
constitution.
yeah.
It has to be as precise and as perfect, because people will only follow that and no one else, but nothing else.
Yes.
Even the dimensions of it,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
area, the drawing, and everything. So how important it is for the agencies to understand the drawing.
I think the agencies need to stick to the drawings.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to change little bit.
Margin of error
yeah,
जो
yeah.
थोड़ा होता है.
Margin of error तो रहता ही है. प्लस कभी कभी आप ऑन साइट आने के बाद में भी आपको लगता है कि यार मे बी ये पोजीशन यहाँ नहीं यहाँ होना चाहिए, यहाँ नहीं यहाँ होना चाहिए.
Okay.
That we do on site. But I make sure that changes is specified on my drawing जो site पे. Maybe through a sketch or
but it is there.
Yeah, but it is there.
Hmm.
क्योंकि उसमें क्या हो जाता है, you also when you are doing a lot of sites, you can't remember every single thing that happened. Like I would still remember how many lights I have, but उसको मैंने 10 mm मूव किया था या 10 सेंटीमीटर मूव किया था, वो कभी कभी याद नहीं रहता. दैट फिगर 10 था या 12 था, वो याद नहीं रहता. तो वो ऑन पेपर होना बहुत जरूरी फॉर यू एज वेल एज फॉर द वेंडर टू एग्जीक्यूट इट प्रॉपर्ली.
A lot of sites though. You guys heard what she said.
Thank God.
But understandable, ma'am, that the drawing has to be picture perfect. Only then would the design come out
Yes.
in a manner.
And fortunately and unfortunately, you are not the ones doing the drawings anymore. So you have to pay more attention on the drawings.
Exactly, because the supervising part now.
Yes.
So true. Wow. Ma'am, when agencies get to work, it is often heard कि tiling वाला late कर रहा है, civil में ये हो गया, फर्नीचर में वेस्टेज बहुत हो गया, इधर इतना जरूरत था, इतना हुआ, ये हुआ. मैम, ये confusion often leads to clients being scared of agencies. What if they go away? Some of them do go away in
Yes.
between.
It is-
So what is an architect's or designer's role, or is there any role?
See, we as it is try to play a bridge between the
हाँ,
client and the
absolutely.
vendors.
Mhm.
So we are definitely that bridge.
That bridge.
But sometimes the client as well as the vendors are walking over the bridge.
Wow, crazy, ma'am.
So I don't know how good.
Very true, very true.
So you have to draw the lines, I think.
It is important.
And as like I said, if your drawings are ready,
Mhm.
if your selections are done, so vendors also have very good clarity of what needs to be done और time का क्या है. उसके ऊपर vendor तक ठीक है, labor उनके भी हाथ में नहीं है.
Very true. Very
So
true.
you can't just put everything on the vendor as well.
Mhm.
So particularly in Nagpur setup, I think everyone has experienced it.
The issue with regards to
labor is
labor.
the god.
Very true. Very
So
true.
if the labor decide I am not going to come today because
What
it
will
is
happen?
raining,
Nothing can happen.
nothing can happen. You can't convince him. No matter if the client calls me कि ये तो आया ही नहीं, ये तो आया, मैं क्या करूँ?
Exactly. Nothing is in your
Or
hands.
that vendor can do anything.
Mhm.
And आप उस पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हो? Vendor पे you will put something कि ये ऐसा करो और conditions करो. As long as you have that clarity and that timeline is set, ये आगे पीछे के जो चीजें हैं वो
Manage.
adjust हो जाती हैं.
But so this is very true, man. That here, for example, in this city, labor is the person, the hero of the whole picture.
You have to put him.
So
You have to put him there on that pedestal.
while you are working in different cities
हाँ.
beyond Nagpur, is this the same there too?
No, actually, I have had very good experience working in Pune and Mumbai. And I was very pleasantly surprised. I think the vendors must be very happy with me because I was, over the moon. कि अरे वाह, ये तो मेरे टाइम से पहले खत्म हो रहा है.
Very rare.
हाँ,
In
which
this
is
industry,
very
this is very rare.
I am not pushing you. I am not asking you what is happening. You are reporting to me कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. So I was very happy working there. Obviously the rate लोग वही है ना कि वो देखते हैं रेट का क्या डिफरेंस है
वो नहीं देखते सो ट्रू जो कि इसलिए होता है क्योंकि चीजें टाइम के पहले हो रही
हाँ मतलब लोग बहुत ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि प्रोफेशनल है बट यू आर पेइंग देम आल्सो प्रोफेशनली
That is why they are being
you are
professional.
doing jig over
Every
every
cost.
5,000 rupees. So you can't expect the labor to be there
all the time.
or even that supervisor thing is absent here
Very
in
true.
Nagpur, which is there in Pune and Mumbai, and people are paying that premium for the supervisor and that site handler.
And only then the things are being
Yeah,
smooth.
yeah. Here you have very rare clients who go forward with it.
So do you think this is a change which we should adapt as a city
Yeah,
if
yeah.
we are to grow in this field?
Yes, yes. You have to if you want more professionalism.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to. I think designers need to start pushing the professionalism first.
Exactly.
ताकि वो clients
Because
तक
you are
पहुंच-
bearing the brunt of it.
Yeah. और clients तो नागपुर का तो everyone likes to flex their contacts. Like मेरा तो ये है, इसका तो वो है, उसका तो वो है. तो फिर my process has been like फिर आप उन्हीं से लो.
Very true.
Even better for
Why do you actually pitch your idea?
Yes, yes. तो वो I think वो professionalism आ रहा है. In our generation it has started. थोड़ा सा पहले की generation में अभी भी
Difficulty है.
difficulty.
But you as a person or you as a professional would prefer कि आपके साइड पे आपका सेटअप रहे ताकि चीजें स्मूथ हो.
Yes, because you
Because they know
I'm
how you
already,
work.
Yes, like I said, if I'm working with you for on 5 projects, you already understand. जब मैं बोल रही हूँ ये यहाँ नहीं था सरकाना था, my सरकाना you will understand what that सरकाना है.
कहाँ तक और कहाँ.
हाँ. Otherwise, when I'm telling you कि I'm giving you my drawing and everyone have their own set of थोड़ा सा designing का कैसा रहता है, कौन से lights क्या type से index
कहाँ पे
में जा रहे हैं,
लगेंगे.
कैसे जा रहे हैं, मैं कैसे मेरी प्रोफाइल लाइट्स यूज कर रही हूँ, तो एक ऑलरेडी वो ये आ जाता है. प्लस आई ऑलरेडी नो कि व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू, कि अगर तुम्हारे लोग रेगुलर वाले हैं तो आई टेक दैट इनटू कंसीडरेशन. इफ योर लेबर इज इरेगुलर आई ऑलरेडी नो आई टेक दैट इनटू
Exactly, you have a backup ready for it.
So वो type से I think it is always better to have your own team on the side.
On the side for smooth
But
function.
I think like I said that bridge wala walking
हाँ,
apart. So like if it is from the client side that walking it happens less.
100%. But so this is a very important aspect which you've mentioned right now कि क्यों किसी को भी अपनी टीम के साथ खेलना बहुत जरूरी है. Often clients feel that no, we will bring it from our end. They will bring it. They have different conceptions in their head in regards to a designer maybe or even a vendor. But in reality, it's only ethical because every Tendulkar would want a Dravid in his team.
Yeah.
Who would be summoned by Zahir
Yes.
Khan, and only
Yes.
then would they win the World Cup.
Yes.
Or else how would you actually? And then if you were to come back and complain कि late हो गया, आ नहीं रहा, then how would anyone be answerable to you?
और वही नहीं बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि like I said that flow
Should not be broken.
हाँ, वो flow बहुत अच्छा रहता है when it is your own team. And like sometimes कभी-कभी अपने को ऐसा लगता है कि I am having like you said Dravid with me, but sometimes I think MS Dhoni fits the role more.
Fits the role better.
So
you would have an idea of it already
so
because you are
sometimes
into this.
unless you play with MS Dhoni, you won't know if
Who would be
you
better.
want that
So
or not.
true.
So
Wow.
that also you have to play with.
So
Like
this is
to
again
have
something
your own rhythm.
which you would learn
Yeah,
in experience.
Yes.
Some timeline with respect to projects is very crucial. और हर बार ऐसा होता है कि we find people complaining about it. बहुत extend हो गया, एक साल से late चल रहा है. So now you are a designer here. What do you think about this whole setup of a timeline and how should clients approach it?
See, like I said, if the clients are ready with everything first, जैसे client बोलते कि ये बहुत push हो गया. Sometimes it is from the designer side. Sometimes it is from the vendors or the executive team उनके तरफ से. But at the same time, you have never seen जो बोल रहे हैं ना कि हाँ कितना extend हो गया, उन्होंने प्रोसेस में
कितना डिले किया.
जैसा मैंने कहा कि if all my laminates to all the finishing items are finalized first, they already know what is happening and what is not
Very
happening.
true.
so वो process becomes easier. But वो अगर पहले सिविल तो चालू कर दो, फिर तो प्लम्बिंग चालू कर दो, फिर तो ये चालू कर दो वाले, इसमें you are also prolonging. और जो लोग बोलते हैं ना मेरे को immediately site चाहिए, they also need to go forward with immediate payments.
Very true. Only there would be
Then
people
you
who are
can like
100%.
So अगर आप EMI में पेमेंट कर रहे हो and expecting the
Site
site
to
to
be completed
be
immediately. Does not
that
work
is
like
not
that.
going to happen.
And I believe this would again be different in Mumbai, Pune and Nagpur.
Yes, yes. यहाँ पे मतलब एडवांस की बात करने के बाद लोग ऐसे करते हैं एडवांस why
FIR.
why do you need advance
Exactly. But I believe it is a very legitimate expectation. We are giving a
No,
drawing, a 3D.
you have to be a little stubborn about it because you have also experienced different
Very
clients, right? So ऐसा नहीं कि you are not saying that this client is going to be ये, but you have already experienced
So
few
one
clients
has,
like that. Yeah, so
we've already
you
faced
have
a
to
lot of
standardize
hate.
it.
And so again, so advance as a term should be generalized and normalized in this
Yes,
industry.
yes,
Why is it
for
looked
sure.
down upon always?
और मैंने कहा ना कि जैसे अगर कोई for example if I am giving kitchen or wardrobe to an agency, they are expecting 50% advance for example. तो आप वो प्रोडक्ट को एडवांस देने के लिए आप फाइन,
But not the service.
But not the service.
Wow. So amazing and so true. So you are willing to work on credit.
हाँ exactly.
वो आपको लोन जैसे नहीं दिख रहा है.
आप जब मटेरियल खरीद रहे हो तो मटेरियल के लिए you are ready to
To
pay.
pay.
So that service also needs to be looked
In the same
in
manner.
the same manner. That
But
you
this is so
can't.
true, and this is no. This arises a very huge question as to why are architects and designers not on the same professional platform as doctors, as lawyers, as chartered accountants? Why is it so? Because even you are making a house, even you are doing a very essential job of a thing in which a person lives, a family lives. So why is it that this profession is not on the same pedestal as other professions? Although you know, I'll just interrupt for a minute. The academic years are more, if not less.
Yes.
The academic investment is more, if not less. The technical knowledge is more, if not less. Everything is, more. But when it comes to you graduating and becoming a professional, it is less.
Yes. I think, see, like I said, the change needs to be brought by the designers
Community itself.
So, for example, now that I've learned and I've set my boundaries, or I'll be charging this much,
Very
you have to
true.
give me this much. When you come into the profession, because of the surge of the professionals which are available right now, you are just pulling down your ये कि यार ये 100 में कर रहा है कि मैं 50 में कर रहा हूँ, 50 में कर रहा है
Damaging the fabric.
हाँ मैं 30 में कर दूंगा. So I think those people who are doing it will also later realize
Regret it because
not
when
done a good
they
job.
would be on a pedestal.
Yeah. And secondly, I think people, like if I'm telling you my fees is this much, I need to be sure of that.
Very true.
Like
So you will deliver it. That is why you are charging.
Yes, that is why I'm charging. I know my pluses.
Absolutely.
So I deserve that amount of money and I should not be, like इतना पैसा बाकी कितना ले रहा है doesn't matter.
Very
It is you are charging me for my skills and I know my skills. So my skills deserve this much
And-
for sure.
And rightfully so, because you've invested into the profession, you've invested into learning how it works, and it is only legitimate for you to,
Yes.
actually charge it. But again, as you said, that why people, hordes of people enter the market,
Yeah.
the fabric gets damaged.
Yes, but I think it is damaging. Like in Nagpur, you have like different layers of clients as well. So like,
But how would you differentiate the chunk? I believe 20
Client chunk or
client chunk.
Client chunk. I think, like I said, now I started working with people than for people. So you have to gauge it yourself.
Very true.
If you're giving me that vibes of I give you money, I own you, I'm not working.
So true. Again, a very good aspect that you're not owning the person, neither are you owning the service. You are just
You are just paying the
facilitated for
Yes.
being assisted for that.
I am being your partner in designing your house. and you have to treat me like that.
So you cannot dictate the number of visits. This
Yes.
is again a very crucial term. Unnecessary visit might not be logical neither for you neither for me.
Yes.
Instead, I can use that energy and that time somewhere else. So if the project is not getting affected,
Yeah.
what is the point of it?
Yeah, and that's what I said. Now you have to make sure if this partnership can work or not. And sometimes it won't work, and sometimes it would work wonderfully. So that is a
But
chance
again,
you have to take. But like,
subjective.
like first few meetings you
You are
can
able to
gauge that.
No, most of you, I believe, designers, psychologists. Huh? You
Yeah.
get the psychology of the person and you understand if the person has the bandwidth to actually avail the services which you're offering.
Yes. I'll not say exactly psychologist, but
A counselor.
a counselor would be a
better
better term.
Very
Because sometimes, like I said, when you're designing for families and you're with the families for 6 to 8 months, you know,
very
like
true.
you're with them, even while designing the details of the rooms, you are there and everything. So you see the family dynamics as well.
Very true. 100%.
You know, you are with them. You become part of the
You
family.
understand
You are also
what role who is
sometimes
playing.
you are also sometimes being a mediator between the fight of the colors, or
Exactly.
I
Different generations.
always tell this to my clients, like if you can, if your marriage survives a renovation and a house designing, you are good. You're good.
Wow, this is a quotable quote and I copyrighted. Wow. Wow, so cool. But very true, very true. Ma'am, when we, so when we're talking about your drawings, your work, 2009 में क्या आपको लगा था you would be doing this 13 years now?
नहीं, मुझे तो लगा था मैं और बहुत बड़ी
वो तो जाएगा ही. But would you sustain, आपको भी ऐसा लंग फेज आया होगा जब आपको ऐसा लगा था यार questioning yourself or your work as to is it correct for me?
Yes.
Should I move on from this field? What if I try something else?
No, I never felt like moving on from this field. I always wanted to be in this field. That I was 100% sure. Never doubted that. But sometimes you start doubting like certain decisions you have taken in the field. Like, should I have gone with a partner?
Again,
solo jana tha, should I have gone with a partner? Should I like taken this project? Yeah, ये project मैंने नहीं करना चाहिए था क्या? So वो सब चीजें, those doubts have always been there in different phases. But I never doubted if I wanted to be in this. That I have always been sure.
So you breathe designing environment.
Yeah, so that way I have in my dream,
Oh,
like
so
I'm
cute.
doing what I love to do.
So amazing. Where do you see yourself 10 years from today? Where do you see Studio 22? In what cities, in what projects? And depending on the trajectory which you've had.
Yeah, I think more than cities, I think like you always want, sometimes people ask you which is the best project you have done, and I always say it is yet to come.
Wow.
So like you always.
आपका शायद घर जो बन रहा है, that is yet to come.
So like yet to come. So I think in 10 years I would love to be doing this at a much grander scale and at more locations
nationwide
and with better people.
So beautiful. Having a project maybe northeast, south, who understand their culture, their way of living.
Everywhere is fine.
But you are in this through and through and you love this field.
Yeah, that I think I'm meant for this.
But if I may ask, on a lighter note, if you were to redesign any monument, like your Eiffel Tower maybe, or Taj Mahal, or Great Wall of China, or any monument which you think is an architectural marvel, in your opinion?
See, if I would think it is a marvel, I would not want to redesign it.
Even better.
Why touch that? If
it is already a sanctum sanctorum.
So I don't think some of the monuments which I've loved, I would like to touch that. They need to be the way they are. You need to appreciate it the way they are. Like कोई movies का sequel नहीं बनना चाहिए.
भूल भुलैया.
तो movies का sequel नहीं बनना चाहिए. तो वैसे ही I think you need to design your own monument. You don't have to touch anyone else's and like make something out of it. I don't think I would love to do that.
We'll have one of your own creations.
Yeah, that I would love to do.
Something.
Yeah, that I would love to do, but I don't think the monuments any of the monuments which I love, I would like to touch
touch
them.
them.
Or even the monuments I don't love.
That is someone's love. it's not
Yeah,
yours.
yeah. So they're better off the way they are.
Wow, so beautiful. Nice. Ma'am, so while we are nearing the end of this podcast, what is that one suggestion which you have for the young graduates who are listening to this, or for the layman who would want to design his own house in future, as to how can they approach designers and what perspective should they have while making a house?
See, I think, like I said, when a client is searching for a designer,
Uh-huh.
they also need to look for a designer they can vibe with.
Very true.
You know, like I said, the other way around. You
Uh-huh.
are looking for the clients you can, vibe with or understand. Not
100%.
vibing is not necessary all the time, but you need to have
Bandwidth
that
is too
understanding.
vast.
That bandwidth should be there.
Mhm.
So I think that goes. That is true with the clients as well,
Mhm.
and also have a realistic picture of what you want.
Very true.
Like like not don't expect a Taj Mahal out of
Very true. Understandable.
so you have
should
to
go
have a
ahead.
little or a little idea of what you want.
Very true.
You can't just come here and put it कि घर एकदम आलीशान बनाओ सबसे अलग बनाओ तो सबसे अलग is nothing. I
Very
need to
true.
know you.
What do you want?
हाँ.
So true.
So it can't be like कि जो बनाना है
It has to
बनाओ.
be specific.
Yeah. So some specifications,
Mhm.
not too specific, but some guidelines need to be there for the designer also to design it according to you.
Very true.
So if I'm designing according to me, it will be my house, no?
100%.
So
And there's
if
no
I'm
point.
designing for you, I need certain guidelines from
Ideas.
you, or what you are.
Mhm.
So you need to be a little ready for that.
One should open up in
Yeah.
a better and a comprehensive manner.
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. And some words, if you may, for Yogesh Marketing, and whenever you work with the particular firm.
See, I love working with Yogesh Marketing. Firstly, you don't have to worry about if the material is matching on the side on time or not. And then also, I love that you have layers of people you can
Working.
contact.
True,
You
true,
can
true.
contact to for that. And that is always better than having a one contact
One
person.
point that was very true. For different segments,
Yes,
different.
yes. And I like that you keep on upgrading, like I said,
Mhm.
with the trends. So
Mhm.
sometimes and still sticking to the
Roots of it.
roots of it. So that is what I
Trying
really
to stay
love.
relevant is the
Yes.
key.
Yeah, you have to stay relevant at the same time, not lose the base of it.
Base of it. The crux of it.
So I think that you are doing very well.
Thank you so much. So this is it, people. This is our episode with architect and designer Ketki Sasrabuddhe. I am sure you might have learned a lot of things, not just about designing, but also about how you can approach different setups when you are making your own house, or if you are a young graduate who is coming into this field. Here are some tips and tricks which you can actually, imbibe in order to become another Ketki Sasrabuddhe. We have her socials in our description on YouTube. You can contact her if you want to. And yes, thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
gracing
you.
us.
I had a very good time.